Alright, it is Friday the 25th of October. I'm still at camp. I see a lot of people going on bikes on the path here. I'm about to make lunch. I'm feeling better today, a little bit better from my cold. Still got it, but it's a lot better than a couple of days ago. It's actually yesterday afternoon I was feeling pretty good when I went for a hike at Arches. But anyway, today I'm making lunch and I'm making pizza. Swiss cheese. Okay, so we got the cheese all over. And we'll grill it. Okay. We're gonna make it a ham pizza too. So we're gonna take the pizza cutter and slice the ham. If they make it too far off the deep end, especially with the people in smaller towns. Now we're gonna put sriracha. And now we're gonna put Parmesan. Okay, now I'm going to make the oven with the aluminum foil. Okay. I'm gonna set it to 30 minutes, 25 minutes, see what happens. Okay, it has been 25 minutes. Let's see what this looks like. So we're gonna continue cooking it without the top, so maybe it will dry up a little bit. Well, it came out okay. It didn't quite dry up, but the crust is made. And the top part obviously is cooked since all the cheese melted. So on a scale 0 to 10, I give it a 5, maybe a 6.